Hello KG1. Welcome to our English class. Today we will learn a new sound. This is curly K and this is kicking K. They are friends. They have the same sound. K, K, K. This is letter K. The sound is K, K, K. Action. The children click their fingers above their heads, saying K, K, K. Let's read this story together. A family is visiting a castle in Spain. While they are sitting outside a cafe, some Spanish dancers appear in the courtyard. The ladies wear brightly colored dresses and click castanets, going K, K, K. Let's look to this story together and try to find the words that start with K. Castle, cafe, courtyard, colored, dresses, click, castanets. Super KG1. Now let's learn how to write it. We start from the dot, we go down straight, then up again till the middle, then make a round under the line, then slide down with a short tail. One more time. Start from the dot, go down straight, then up to the middle, make a round under the line, then slide down with short tail. Super KG1. Now let's learn some words. K, kite. K, kite. My kite is flying up in the sky. K, key. K, key. I open the door with my key. K, king. K, king. The king is wearing a nice crown. K, kids. K, kids. The kids are playing in the garden. K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. K, koala. K, koala. The kangaroo and the koala live in Australia. K, kitten. K, kitten. Kitten is a baby cat. This kitten is very cute. K, kiss. K, kiss. Give mommy a kiss every day. K, kiwi. K, kiwi. Kiwi is a healthy food. K, ketchup. K, ketchup. I put the ketchup in the fridge. K, kitchen. K, kitchen. My mom cooks the lunch in the kitchen. Now let's revise the words. K, kite. K, key. K, king. K, kids. K, kangaroo. K, koala. K, kitten. K, kiss. K, kiwi. K, ketchup. K, kitchen. Thank you KG1. I love you. I miss you. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Bye bye.